Howdy everyone, Dr. Regev here. So I took my company Aleph's radar-based remote breathing monitoring IP basic demo code, and I ported it into the Raspberry Pi running this Infineon radar from a company called DreamRF, and this hat that he put in the Raspberry Pi with the radar is called DreamHat Radar. And so that's what we use in the academy.drneregev.com for experiments, for lab, and so on. So I ported this code, and now I want to show you the demo, the remote breathing using a radar demonstration. Let's go to the Raspberry Pi and run this. Okay, so I'm at about 1.5, 1.6 meters away. Here it locked on me, and now it will extract my breathing. Now I'm going to breathe, so you can see the breathing wave. Well, I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to sit and breathe. And then I'm going to go back with my chair, and you can see the range shifts and how quickly it responds to a shift in range or position in the volume. And also I'm going to then stop breathing, and then you'll see how it responds to the stop breathing. I'm going to breathe again, you see how fast it responds to that. Okay, so let me just breathe now. Okay, now I'm going to go back. Okay, now I'm going to stop breathing. Breathing again. Immediately it captured it. Let me shift my position again. Now I'm closer, and you see that it locks on a closer range. The breathing BPM is reported down here, the target range as well, and the post-processing SNR. That's an SNR specifically for the breathing. So we can, the minute movement of the chest, we can extract and enhance this signal to retain a very high SNR, even from 2 meters away. All right, that's it for today. Until next demo, Regev out.